This is the letter I. Big I, little I. The letter I makes a short I sound like the I in igloo. The letter I makes a long I sound like the I in ice. A lot of words begin with the letter I, like ivy, ill, inchworm, island, ice cream. What other words begin with the letter I? I is for... That's right, iguana. What is an iguana? Iguanas are large, colorful lizards that can be green, blue, or orange. They have long tails and spikes along their backs. They are herbivores, which means they eat leaves, flowers, and fruits. Iguanas love to bask in the sun and are known for being curious and gentle, often moving slowly and cautiously. Iguanas live in warm tropical areas in forests, grasslands, and on the coast. They like to stay in trees for safety and to get food. Look at them go! Let's look at some different iguanas for ideas. What do you see? I see iguanas in many different styles. There's no right or wrong way to make an iguana. Let's draw an iguana. You need paper, marker, and something to make color with. A teardrop shape on its side. That's going to be our iguana's head. From behind the teardrop shape, we are going to make a small to medium oval. It's going to be our iguana's body. Now we're going to do the four legs using straight lines, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Those are our front leg and our back leg. Then 2 from the belly, 2 from the belly. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 feet. Let's finish those feet by adding 1, 2, 3 wiggle lines for toes. So our iguana can climb up the trees. All right. So as you can see, there's a straight line in the middle of both of our front back foot and front and back foot. So I'm going to actually add some more lines to make that look like it was on purpose. Fill them in with some lines on the rest of the leg. All right, now we're going to go to the back of our iguana and do a wiggly line around, and then we're going to go a little bit under the starting point of the first wiggly line and do a matching wiggly line and connect it at the bottom. So now we have our iguana's head, body, 4 legs, and tail. So now's the time for some fun details. So we're going to go back up to our teardrop shaped face and draw a gently curved line from that point of the teardrop. We're going to do our iguana's eyes. I'm going to do a small circle with an even smaller circle on the inside and color it in. Our iguana has kind of a oval nose hole. We only see one because of how his face is pointing. And iguanas have this funny little circle pouch on their cheeks. I'm going to add a wiggly line from the bottom of the face to the body. There we go. And then the top, I'm going to add in some triangles or upside down V's. However many looks good to you. I'm going to make mine pretty pointy. I'm going to choose to do some little dots to show that he's scaly, because I like how that looks. Another way you could add that effect of scales are going to be some of those little U or upside down rainbow lines all tucked together, kind of like we did for our alligator, and fill that space in. You know what? I'm going to do something a little bit different. I really liked one of the iguanas we looked at earlier had like a flower pattern on him. So I'm going to go ahead and do that because that looked cool to me. And remember, iguana is for eye. So I'm going to do a big eye and a little eye just to help me remember. Next, it's time to add color, whatever colors look good to you. I decided to make my iguana extra colorful with yellow, pink, orange, green, and blue. You made an iguana. That is awesome. Remember, iguana is for I, the letter I. Stay inspired, iguanas. Thank you for joining us. Please consider liking and subscribing to Bold Soul Whimsy. See you in the next one.